Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Zenitsu sketch. We'll begin by establishing the foundational shapes. First, lightly draw a circle for the head, then add a cross to guide the facial features. Next, define the jawline, giving it a gentle, youthful point. Finally, sketch in the neck and shoulders using basic, easier-to-draw geometric forms to set up the body's structure. This initial step is crucial for accurate proportions. Now, let's bring Zenitsu's face to life. Place his large, expressive eyes along the horizontal guideline, ensuring they convey his typical anxious or surprised demeanor. Sketch his small, slightly upturned nose just below the horizontal line. Then, draw his gentle, often slightly open mouth. Don't forget his iconic lightning bolt eyebrows, positioned distinctly above each eye, adding to his unique character. Moving on to his dynamic hair and clothing. Begin by outlining Zenitsu's spiky, layered hair, ensuring it frames his face and flows naturally around his neck. Next, sketch the fundamental structure of his Demon Slayer uniform, followed by his signature yellow heiori. Pay close attention to the folds and creases. Finally, meticulously add the distinctive triangular pattern to his heiori, which is a key visual element of his design. For our final steps, we'll refine and add depth to your Zenitsu sketch. Carefully erase all the initial construction lines, leaving only your clean character outline. Now, introduce subtle shading to give your drawing dimension, focusing on areas like under the chin, within the hair, and along clothing folds. Use darker, more confident lines to emphasize key features such as his eyes and the edges of his uniform, making your sketch truly pop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.